Hi dear beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel Safira Nas, and welcome to the journey of styles in fashion. So beautiful ladies and girls, in my today's video, you are going to exploring most demanding, stylish and classic collection of crochet made caplet shawls and scarf styles for beautiful ladies and girls. So it's more than 70 plus styles, 70 plus designs of different types and different styles of crochet made caplet shawls and scarf styles and designs. Beautiful styles, beautiful colors combinations for beautiful girls and beautiful women. So I hope so you are going to love these styles of caplet shawls and scarf styles of crochet made. If you are looking for latest ideas, latest styles of crochet made shawls and scarf designs, so these are the best and latest ideas. Top stylish and trending classic collection. So the purpose of my video is just to giving you a new ideas and new styles and designs of crochet made couple shawls and scarf ideas. I hope so you will enjoy this video. You will love these styles of crochet made shawls and scarves. So if you are loving these designs and if you are loving these styles, so please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And please don't forget, if you are new on my channel, so please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, dear beauties, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So please don't forget to tell me in the comment section, how was this video, how was these designs of crochet made styles of shawls and scarves, and which type of more collection you will want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful and helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so please must share your opinions in the comment section. Must watch video till the end. Don't forget to like, share video. Don't forget to subscribe channel, and also giving your feedback in the comment section. So enjoy the video till the end.